Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the stocks, Bank Nifty as well as Nifty indices using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line, and I'm not asking any investments and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade lines explaining here. So let's move on to our watch list. So regularly what we are doing same, there is no change in that. So extra we will do that Finance, Greenplay, ABFRL like that. So just a minute. Yeah, this is Nifty chart. Yeah, so this is my Nifty wave count, the positional wave count. So we are in the bullish and we are in that final fifth wave for that. So 1, 2, so 3, and that corona drop is the fourth, and we are in that final fifth wave. So the final fifth wave is not yet ended, it is keep moving on, and it is in that extended for that fifth wave. So as of now, so this is the wave 1, the bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2. So these are all the intermediate waves for the third wave. So we are in that fifth wave. So whether this fifth wave is got ended, I will zoom to that 4 hours. Whether this fourth wave got ended here and the fifth wave got ended here, or it could continue for that 5 wave structures like this. It may continue like that also. So if this is the end of that fifth wave, it has to come for that fourth wave, bigger fourth wave, or it could continue in the 5 wave structures to complete that. Sometimes it may end it like this also, and we will mark it as a third wave here for the bigger third wave, and I'm expecting it may do like this also. So this is an optional only. If the market is giving bigger corrections to the 14200, that could be a wave 4. Otherwise market, if it get rejected from that 14700 after the 3 wave corrections, and if again it moves to that 16000, after that it will continue like this at the 5 wave structure. So that could be the end of that third wave, and this is the end of the fifth wave, and the 5 wave structure in the this Roman letter bracketed with fifth wave. So once after that, I'm expecting the bigger correction for the fourth wave, and again it may go for the fifth wave nearly to the 17,000, but my first target is the 16,100. So let's see how it behaves, because sometimes if it is the end of the third wave means after the fourth wave it will reach the 16,100 or 16,200 approximately, and my target is also same. In case if it got extended in that fifth wave as of like this, it will do, but most of the times sometimes it will do like this only. So in that time we have to make it this as a third, at fourth and fifth. So I will keep updating in my uh, Telegram channel if I have a time. Otherwise you have to notify only in that YouTube weekly analysis only. So keep on watching the forex. It's very closely, it is in a trend reversal side, so I need to add my positions. That is why I'm not concentrating in that to share my views, but keep on doing that everything and investing and making money in this stock market. As of I said the previous itself, it is in the bullish, and lot of things we are in that middle. So it is still bullish only. So let's see each and individual stocks. So this is what I'm expecting in this Nifty this week. So maybe a pullback to the 14,600, or if it is a deeper pullback, it can go up to the 14,500 also. After that I'm expecting a bullish scenario. Otherwise, if it is a bigger corrections, if it reached that 14,200, means that is a chances for making a fourth wave, and this could be end of the third wave, or it could be continue in that for that five-way structures like this in the fifth way also. So that is that will be in wedge formation, like that kind of formation on the pattern. After that, it may get rejected for the bigger fourth way. So this you have to understand what I'm trying to say. So let's move on to the bank nifty. Here I said this is 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 and 5. So the intermediate wave is in that ended of that final wave is in that five-way structure. So that is the end of the third. Fourth is a triangle, and fifth. So this is the smaller one, smaller two. So that is the bigger third of intermediate waves. This roll. So this is a 1 2, and this third wave is also got extended. In that case, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a 3 and ended the fourth, and we are in the fifth wave. So it got completed. So that is the end of that third wave as I drawn. But here is a wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. It is looking like a wedge formation. It is coming like a wedge formation. But I'm not so satisfied with this kind of wedge formation, because in some cases what I'm trying to say is here 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be a this is a diagonal formation, the wedge formation is A. So B is a triangle and C is a five-way structure. So this third wave could be a diagonal pattern. So in that case, this is a B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2, A, B, C as a W, X, A, B and C. Why we are making it is W is it's extended. The third way is always got extended, so that is why we have to repeat that ABC once again. So this could be a ABC, or it could be a here ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. So whether it is, if not get extended also, this I will change to ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, here ABC as a third, or W, and here it could be a third. So this could be labeled as, because sometimes what I'm expecting here is a proper channel alignment. That is what I needed. So this could be like this also. So third, and it could be a fourth also. So here A, B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2, A, B, C is a W, and X, A, B, C is, this is the end of the third wave. And again there is a still fourth wave is there, after that 1/5 wave. So that is the end of the third wave. So it looks like that, sometimes it looks like that, and sometimes it can be my previous analysis also. So in that case, this may be a bigger third, and this could be a bigger fourth. So we will stick to that third, fourth and fifth. So this is also a valid count. So either the only thing is, either it could continue for that fifth wave to the target of 39,000, 38,000, and here we need a rejection. So either that could be a this third, fourth, or this could be a bigger third and bigger fourth. So that is my conclusion for this week. So if it did, this is a bigger one, this is a bigger 2, and this is a bigger 3, and we need a bigger 4. After that we need a bigger 5 to complete that structure of this bank nifty. Here 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5. So after that this bigger 3 will be here. For this bigger 3, it could be like here, and again it can be go for the further bullish scenario. Let's see how it moves. And let's start from the individual stocks. I think from the Titan. Yes. So there is no change in my previous analysis. So 1 2, so we are in the 3 and 4 is already dead, and whether now it is doing a 3-3 way structure, so it could be a triangle also, as I said, or it could be an irregular flat. So after this it can do like this, and after this it can come like this. After that again it may go like this. So this is for the irregular flat. Otherwise, if it is a simple one, this is the end of the 4 and we need a 5-way structures to the outside for that bullish side out of that triangle or irregular flat like that. So here I'm expecting one is triangle first thing, otherwise A, B and C. So this A, B or C is a W or X or Y. So this fourth become here as a running flat. After that the fifth way can go. Otherwise if it didn't make the high and if it didn't make the low, it could be a triangle. So A, B, C, D, E, after that fourth way it has to shoot. So either this is a triangle or it could be an irregular flat, or if it is, this is the end of that fourth way. In very simple pattern we will see that 5-way structures to that fifth way. So next we will move on to the Grasim. So Grasim also same, still that is a valid 1 2 3 and fourth and fifth is got extended little bit. So I'm expecting only this kind of formation for that fourth way, bigger fourth I need. So in that Nifty also we are expecting that same thing, and Bank Nifty, everything we are in that fourth wave. So I'm expecting the pullback. So what we have to do is, if it comes to near to that, making this as a stop loss, you need to be in buy side for that range of 1300 nearby that near zone. Sorry. So let's move on to that Raymond. So Raymond, I just changed my wave count. I'll show you here. It is my previous. It could be extended, leading diagonal also expanded. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. But if it is in sometimes it will be ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4 is a triangle, and here is the ABC is a 5. But sometimes if this is the ABC as a 1, the whole thing becomes a 5-way, means this could be A and B is a triangle. So C can be ended here for the third, because why I am changing my wave count is according to the price action forming here, because it is in perfect triangle formations. So A, B, C, D and E is. So from here I am expecting a bullish. So whether if it breaks the high and it break out from the triangle, if it goes higher, so that could be a as of now this is the same pattern. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, A, B, C is a 3, so triangle is a 4, and one more 3-way structures to the high of nearly the 430 to 450 it can reach. Else if it is the as per my previous analysis, if this is the third and this could be a fourth and fifth is already completed as a 1 or A, so this could be an intermediate triangle for the B wave also. In that category, if it is the intermediate triangle for the B wave, it could be like this. So this could be A, B, C, D and E. After the E, it could be a drop. So this is the A, this is the B, so this is the C. So once after that C, and this is the support zone. Once if it reached here for the 270 zone, I am expecting whether it is a second wave is completed or B wave is completed, and I need a C wave. So I'm expecting whether this is a B wave intermediate triangle. Maybe, see, it's not yet completed, I'm just expecting. So if it reaches here, I will be in buy side, but here, from here itself, I am in buy side from the 333. So I'm in buy side. Let's see. And if it comes here at the 275 zone, I will add. And if it pattern the end got ended, and if it is goes, means it will be shoot for the C wave. So mind that whether this could be a end of third and we are in that fourth way triangle for the bullish, and that fifth way has to continue as a bullish, or if the triangle may be an intermediate wave B as a triangle and C can come down to the 270 and then again it can go back. So if it do like that, if it comes 270, we need to stick to our previous plan 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Or if it didn't came to this zone, and if it is breakout from the high, previous high also, so we have to stick to that. This could be a third, this could be the triangle, could be a fourth, and fifth way can continue. After that, the fifth way, there will be a three-way structure for that A or 2 and B or sorry, A or 1 here and B or 2. After that, the C wave or third wave, it will continue. So next we will see that Reliance Industries. So as of now, that same plan, there is no change here. See what I said is W, this is the X intermediate wave B and C. So WX is finished and A is in a 5-way structure. So we are in the B wave. So if you look here, it's a B, C as a W, X, A, B, C. So this is the end of that double zigzag, right? A, B, sorry, once again, I'll show you that. This is A, so B, C. So this is on W, and this is the connecting wave. After that, this is A, this is a B, and C. So this is a double zigzag. WX, A, B, C. This is a W is a connecting wave for the next zigzag pattern. So this could be the end of the B, and we need a aggressive downside to break this low. Else, if it is again a triple correction, what it will do is it will go like this, and again it will break this low, and again it will do a three-way structure, but not to break the high, because it's the A and B and C has to come to the downside without breaking this high. If it breaks the high, that it could be a different pattern, so that we have to watch. Then only I can, because what kind of wave formation it is doing, we can't say here and we can't expect that. As of now, my invalidation point is the high. So this is a WX, this is a bigger drop, is an impulsive wave to the bearish side, is A. So I'm expecting, whether if it is a double zigzag, it has to get rejected from this zone. Otherwise, if it is a triple corrections, it can make another three-way structure to the downside and another three-way structure to the upper side, but not to break this high. So this is my analysis for this week in Reliance. I'm expecting it has to reach that 1750. So that could be the end of A, B, C is a W is a zigzag, and here, because the WX, A is also there and B is also yet to complete. After that, the C. So it is also a double zigzag correction. A, B, C is a W. So this is the connecting wave A, B, and C. So if it is also a triple correction pattern, again there will be this kind of continuous pattern for the connecting wave, and again the Z can be come to the downside. But as of now, I'm not seeing that, because this is a perfect channel. Let's see how it holds this channel. So next we will move on to the Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance also, whether for me sometimes it looks like the third wave has got ended here. One second. Yeah, this third wave could be a diagonal pattern also. That is why I have now for your references I have placed this as a diagonal pattern too, because it looks like ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X, ABC is a third. So here it's that doubt whether the fourth way is got completed here itself and fifth way is also did, or that third way is got ended, fourth way is here, and fifth way is got ended. So this is the end of the third way and we are in that fourth way. So these are the little bit confusions for me. either if the fourth wave is there still, this is the end of the third, so we are still in that fourth wave also. So in either condition I'm looking for in this zone again has to reach this zone for 4688 zone. So this is my analysis for this week. So next, one second, so sorry for the disturbance. So this is Bajaj Finance. So whether it is going for that fourth wave to complete at that 4780 zone, and again I'm looking for that fifth wave to complete in the 5 structures to the upper side. So after that Bajaj Finance, we have to look for that. Yes, Sun TV. So Sun TV got lot of options, but I am looking only for that bullish scenario, because this is a 1 2, and previous I said this could be a smaller 1 and a smaller 2 here. After that it's making only the 5 structures, 1 2, so 3 4 and 5, and here after the 3-way structures it did the 5-way structures here, 1 2 3, impulsive wave 4, or it could be a triangle like that, and after that this is a 1 2 3 4 5, and after the 3-way structure, see this is also looking like another 5-way structure, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. So each time after the 3-way structures it is building only the 5-5 structures, so it is doing some kind of impulsive. So that could be a bigger one, bigger tool here, or all those things are become another bigger one and another bigger two. Here it could be another 1 2, and it can continue for the third, fourth, five, because I'm expecting here for this pattern, this is the B wave, so C wave has to break above this 1100. In that case it could be a maybe, what I'm trying to say is maybe it can continue like 1 2 1 2 1 2. So how we are did in that bank stocks like that, it can do like that also. For example, I will show you that ICICI or SBI. See, the previous we did as a 1 and 2 or A or B. Now we split it into, and again it could be a diagonal triangle also like that, 1 2 1 2. And for example in the Tata Motors also, so we did, see, previous it was a B, and here also it is a single 1 2 3 like that, and again I split it into again one more 1 2 1 2 like that. So it could be like that also in Sun TV. So a lot of things. First of all, if it is making, it could be like a bigger one, bigger two, and smaller one, intermediate wave, and again there is a one smaller one. Or if it is a 1 2, so this could be a third, fourth and fifth, so the whole thing becomes a 1 also. So that could be a possible also. So this could be another one. So after the 3-way structures I'm expecting a bigger move, and it has already, from this kind of zone it already did that same thing, and now we are expecting this move here. So it has to reach next zone is 663. After that again it can come to the 570 zone, and again it has to reach this zone. So that is why I have marked this as a support and resistance zone. So I'm expecting only such kind of moves only, but later on it will build like that impulsive aggressive move to the upper side. So this is my view. After the 3-way structure it could again to shoot for the higher for the 660 zone also. So this is my target. Else if this is a 5-way structure is got over, means it has to decline from here itself, it not to break the high 1 2 3. And if it is a fourth is a triangle and the fifth way is already got over, means it has to again come to the downside to this level. After that it has to get rejected in this zone, it has to bounce. But it already did a five-way structure here again. So after the three-way structure, again it has to make that five-way structure only. So this is my view in Sun TV. Next, we will move on to the Zeal. So that Z Entertainment also, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After the aggressive move to the downside, got rejected the massive candle, and here also it did the five-way structure: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So whether this is the five-way structure, after the three-way structure, it can go like for the 180 zone, because the five-way structure got over here, WX ABC or whatever you can make it, this labeling this, but I stick to 1 2 3 4 5. Or sometimes if it is a diagonal pattern, ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a 3, we can move this as a 3 if it is a diagonal pattern. So whether if it is a five-way structure is already dead, and sometimes that fourth wave can be an irregular flat pattern, so it can shoot and go above the high, after that it may fall, so that could be a fourth wave. And ABC can be fifth wave to complete the pattern around 275 zone. So that will be a possible in the diagonal pattern. So these are the two views I'm having. Whether it is after the three-way structure, it has to go to that 180 zone. Otherwise, it can break the high, and again it may fall for the running flat for the fourth wave, and the fifth wave has another ABC to complete the pattern nearly the 275 to 300 zone, or it could may high also. So it can be again change that pattern, it can change, and we can move this, don't look for this, and it can be a triangle also after that, sorry, the channel also. So whether it is an ABC as a W, and again X ABC also. So if it is the third way is got extended, the third way can complete it here also. So this is my view in the ZIL, but only the bullish Indian stocks I'm looking, only the bullish. Maybe another 10 to 20% drop may ahead, but I'm still bullish only. So after the ZIL, we can move for the JSW Steel. So that is also, it did that same five-way structure for the fifth wave to complete here. So whether it can move in the again the five-way structures to complete the pattern in that nearly the 440 zone, or this is the end because it's already broke the high. So whether it is the end of that third wave, or that still the fourth wave is still there, that is impossible to say. So here what it can do, if already broken, that it can be a running triangle. After the fourth, it can shoot for the third wave here for this third wave to complete, and this is the fifth wave for the Roman letter bracketed fifth wave, and then again it can continue. So still we are it not in a conclusion, but it already broke the high, so I'm expecting the bigger fourth wave. So whether this is the end of the third wave, so fourth wave, we are in the fourth wave, or still we are in this fourth wave as a triangle, or it could be a running flat, or it could be a expanded flat, whatever it is. So the only one thing is, here is the end of the fourth wave, or still we are in the fourth wave, and here we are in the bigger fourth wave, or still we are in this fourth wave. So don't confuse. This is my analysis for this week. So next we will move on to that Tata Steel. So Tata Steel also same plan, there is no change. Whether it is making a five-way structure from here to complete the fifth way, or the fourth way may be a irregular flat, or it could be a triangle. So do your own homework, and then you can trade. Don't trade according to my analysis. Just for the information, I'm just giving you uh, to learn the Elliott waves. So this is the A. So after the three-way structure, it can go above the high. So that could be a running a triangle. After that, A, B, and C, D, E. So this could be the fourth wave, or this could be end of the fourth wave, means we may get the 5-way structures to the upper side, or it can do the irregular flat, means it can go like this. After that fall, this could be end of the fourth wave, and then again it can give the fifth wave. For example, I will show you that crude. So I already did that same analysis, it's there. I have already posted about the crude. It's the same pattern it is now. See what I expected, whether from here it could be a expanded flat if it breaks this low. Otherwise, if it bounces from here itself, it is in running flat, for running flat. Or if it is a consolidation within this zone, that could be a triangle. So what it happened, it is did that same thing and it didn't break that. So this is a running flat, and after that it's a 5-way structure, it's going to complete. So it is make a running flat here. So like the same pattern it is doing here. One second. For that Tata Steel, here. So let's see how it moves, but my target is above that 800 zone, above 800. So next we will move on to the Hindalco. All steels are looking bullish. See, from here what I said, that same thing, whether it can make a running triangle or irregular flat or running flat, and or it can make a 5-way structure. It did the 5-way structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or still it could be a one more way to the upper side is also possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So either it's looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again after that consolidation, it could be one more high. After that it may fall. So this is my analysis. See here also it did that same thing, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once the completed, I am expecting a bigger 3-way corrections nearly to the 200. And then what will be the next? See here it's a B, and see the 5-way structure has to end above the high. So it's already crossed the high. So it is valid for that C wave. Now it's already broken the high. It's already broken the high. So here whether the pattern is got completed, we need to watch. So if it got over, so what I'm expecting here, it's already completed the pattern W, X, A, B and C. So what will be the next? Again 3-way structure, and again it can move further another 3-way structure. Or this is the A, B or C, means C got 5-way structures, right? So this could be the whole thing become a 1 and again 2, 3. So it could again break the higher also, but my chances it has to go again higher also. And Jindal. So Jindal I already said, this is a very bullish and it has to break the high of 800. My zone, my target is 800. So whether because of making this W as a X, so this could be a B or C, it can go above that, or it could be another WXY formation. But my target, whatever the destination it has to reach, is it has to make the above 800. That is my target. But here it can little bit go above the high, and again it make a 3-way structures to the down. So that could be a B, and again it can shoot from the C wave. So here whether 1, 2, so it can make a 5-way structures in the wedge formation, like that kind of wave pattern, because this is a 1, this is a 2, or A or B. So C got a 5-way structure. So 1 is completed, 2nd is completed, 3rd is also completed, I think so. Yes, the 1, 2. So as of now is the 3rd is completed. So after the 4th wave, again one more wave. So that will be a this kind of wedge formation, means here 1, 2, A, B. So 1, 2. So this could be a end of the 3rd. After that 4th, 5th. So the whole thing becomes that C wave also got completed. So A, B, C, then that will become a W, and again X, like that it can go. So as of now, after the three-way structures down, I will be in buy side for the huge target. So next we will move on to the MGL. So MGL also, see what I expected. From here it has to come to this zone, and again it can to bounce, but it already broken the high. So now it could, the B could be in a running flat or expanded flat. Expanded flat means it has to break this, or if it is a running flat, again if it don't want to break this, and again from here it has to bounce. But the thing is whether 1 2, so this is the third, so we are still in that fourth wave, and fifth wave is got completed, or again ABC is the bigger ABC, like that. So what we have to do is, if it comes near to this zone, we need to enter that 30% or 50%, again wait for this 940 zone, again you can accumulate whatever you need. So this is a W, so X Y has to break above the high, but as of now this is the completed the 5-way structure, whether here it's completed or here. So whatever it is, the after the three-way structure, one more impulsive way to the upper side is possible. Again the 1300 zone is my target to break the high. So after that I think Sun Pharma, yes, so Sun Pharma, so everything I'm expecting only that a bullish, still the Nifty goes. So after the three-way structure, so wait for that, whether there's a 1 2 3 4 5 is got ended, and we are in that deeper pullback in the wedge formation. But whether if this is a WXA, so we are in the B wave, so C means from here it can shoot, or either this is the whole 1 2 3 4 and 5 waves, fifth wave got like this kind of 5-way structures, it can continue. So whatever it is, I'm looking only for the bullish scenario. So either this could be a wave 1 2, so 3 got ended, so here is the fourth, and fifth is already dead. So after that, here I'm expecting a deeper pullback to that 460 zone or 475 zone, or else it could be a 1 2, means it could be a third, fourth, and that fifth wave is also got a 5-way structure. So as of now it is a 1 is completed wave 1, and after that the 3-way structure, it could be a, again it can shoot for that zone for the third, fourth, and fifth, so it can reach up to that 750 zone. So once it got over, after the wave formation, we need to look for that, because the channel is not working. Only if it is a wedge formation, it has to come back for that. Otherwise, if it bounced from here, that could be a, this could be a bigger one and bigger two, so the smaller one, smaller two, like that it can continue. So mind that whether this is a W, X also, this is a A, and we are in the B, means it can be again be a three-way structure, and again the C way got a 5-way structure. So in any conditions, I'm looking for that 750 to 800 zone. But if it is a bigger correction, it can reach the 470 also, because 1 2 3 4 5 in the wedge formation it's got completed, so it has to come to the downside. So after that it's a LNT. So LNT also, so 1 2, so bigger third is completed, my target of 1450 has already achieved. So now the three-way structure, bigger three-way structure or a triangle or irregular flat can happen in the fourth wave, and the fifth wave has to go above the 1600 zone. That is my positional target to break this. So as of now the 1700 is my target. So wait for that fourth wave to complete, and the fifth wave for the 1700. So what else, that LNT, yeah, next motor sections, automobiles. So Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland also, we are in that bigger fourth wave, right? Same, it is doing as per our analysis. I expect from here it has to rejected, so it went little bit exertion. After that, I'm expecting that 120 to reach for that fourth wave, and then again to fifth wave. So it has to again, whether it could extend it also to break the high also, because whether this is a 1 or A and 2 or B, and it is very bullish. So wait for the turn. This is a bullish scenario. So what will be the next? Tata Motors. Tata Motors also same, as my target of 330 got achieved. So now whether it's looking like here is 1 2 3 4 5, the wave 1 2 and 1 2 3 4 5, the third here 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5. So it's little bit confusion here. So in any conditions, in the after the three-way structures, it has to move for the third wave to complete, whether this third wave or this third wave. So my target is at least it has to reach that 380 zone for the third wave. So the, because I just joined this channel, according to that, that is why I have marked this as a 1 2, so 3 4th and 5th is this channel length. It can achieve here the 365 like that, again for the bigger 4th. So let's see how it moves. And next is Maruti. Maruti also, still we are in the bigger 4th, right? I said it could be a bigger 4th wave, and it is an expanded flat. And now I'm saying that the five-way structure to complete nearly that 8,800, or it could be a little bit extended also. Let's see how can it can go for that. Yeah, it's already did. So the next target for this is third, fourth, so 8,700 first target, and if it is got extended, it could reach for the 9,666 if it is get extended, that fifth wave. So let's move on to that. Apollo Castrol is there. Castrol India Limited. It's a little bit slow nowadays, that trading view. So I'm expecting only the bullish. So this could be after the third wave. See, this is the wave 1 and this is the wave 2, maybe wave 2, and this could be intermediate wave 1 and 2. So it can shoot from here, or if it isn't still correction, it can go back to break this low, and again it could again, it's nearly to that 116, and it can bounce. So this is my expecting. So whenever it is in pullback, we need to watch. So sometimes it's looking like the this could be another X, because the W X A B C. So sometimes if it is an extended, that is why I have informed here, this could be a Y, this could be a X, because if it didn't break the high, still there is a one more A, B and C. So that is why I have explained here. So be careful in this Castrol. Only if it breaks the high of 163, that is confirmed for that bullish. Until that, there is a lot of chances for making one more low to break this low also. So mind that, trade carefully in this. So next, Apollo Tyres, we can so the it's a little bit lagging, yeah. So as of now, for the Apollo Tyres, 1 2. So I thought this could be a wave 1 2 3, and from here it can shoot for that fourth wave. But what it did, so 1 2 3 4 5. So this is also valid, because it is in the intermediate wave, fifth wave of 3. So that is also valid. Now I am expecting for the fourth wave. So whether the fourth wave is the target nearly from here to here, So triple two is my first you can accumulate here. The second accumulation is 300 zone, so the previous support zone, previous resistance, and then now it may be a support zone. So in the bigger three-way structures, it could be a fourth wave. After that, again I am expecting for that fifth wave to break this high again. So what will be the next? We can move the JKTire also. I think last time also I explained that. So 1 2 3 4 5, so this could be a B and C also, but it is not it could be a fourth way as a triangle. It's doing like that maybe. So after that 1 2 3 4, and the 5 has to reach the 5 of third, so nearly to that 160 zone. Yeah, 160. After that again for the bigger third, fourth, and fifth. So it is keep on moving. After that, one bullish breakout. After the three-way structures, we need to be in buy. So every three-way structures we need to be buy, but only if it cross the high 147, then only it will validate. Because until that there is a 1 2 3 4 5 A, B, and C. Again it can come to the downside also. In that case, if it is a bigger correction in that second wave, so it won't be like that, but anything can happen in the market, so be careful. So see it also. So these are not in our watch list, but the tire sections I keep on watching that it's all bullish. So 1 2 we are on the third wave, so this could be also that A, B, C like that. After that it can be come to the downside, as I explained that, because this is a W, X, A, B, or C, or what it will do, the five-way structure for the A, 1 2 3. After the third, the three-way structure for the fourth wave, and again it can show. So the whole thing 1 2 3 4 5 waves maybe A. After that the B waves, and then again it can shoot for the C wave, or else it could be a W, X, A, B, C, and it can continue up to Z wave. So you just delete this Z wave. So as of now, 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 is completed, 2 or either A, B, or C. So we have to watch only if it breaks above this, and again it could be a continued for that higher side. Until that, because why I'm keep on watching saying like the whether the three-way structure is could be a B, C, or 1 2 3. So it's above that one level only for this way structure. So here in the weekly, yeah, this is A, B, C as a W. So this is the X way. So whether the X way is continued, it's already completed here, or it could be a triangle also, A, B, C, D, E. After that, this is a W, X, and Y can continue. So anything is possible. Don't bias on one count, right? Because A, B, C is completed here. So that could be end of the X. So A can be 1 2 3 4 5 or A, or it could be a Y way, could be a WXY formation also. A, B, C is a W, and again the three-way structure it can do. So lot of opportunities, it's their possibilities. So only thing we need to watch that three-way structures, and again you need to enter partially only, because it could be, if you are looking for that fifth wave, it can again come to the deeper correction also for that X wave. This is a W, X wave. After that A, B, C can shoot. So looking for always for that major support zone. So as of now major support zone is this zone, so 1225, 2300. So this is the major support zone. So these are not in watch list, just I covered everything. So we will move on to that IT sectors. Infosys, I'm not getting any entry as of now, because we are in the bigger fourth wave. So I still keep on watching this for the bigger way, bigger fourth way to enter to complete here. This is 1050, or it could be, if it is a deeper correction, it could go above 850 also. It can go below the 850 also, because we are in that bigger fourth wave. So that could be a regular flat or triangle. See, this is a 1050 is a 23.6 zone, and if it is a 38 point means 877 zone. So let's see how it moves, and everything it is in the same thing. Wipro. Four ways. See, it could be a triangle or irregular flat or regular flat, whatever it can be. Because if it goes above the high only, we come to know whether it is making a fifth wave. Or sometimes what it will do is it can attract the retailers, it can go above the high and again it may fall like for that running triangle or irregular flat. So it can be like this, or it could be a triangle, or it could be a triangle, or it could be if it is a irregular flat, from here it can shoot. From here it can shoot. So HCL Technologies. Same. See, I expected the three-way structure, it already did. So now what we have to do for the enter for the fifth wave. So wait for that. It could be also same. Everything it is in the bigger with a triangle, or it could drop like this from here. So that could be an irregular flat from here, and again it can shoot for the fourth wave. Or if it didn't break the high, if it didn't break the low and it is in still consolidation, that could be a triangle. So it can be again be a fifth wave to the target of 1200 zone. So let's move on to, I think, yeah, for the bank stocks. Bank stocks, we can do what the DCB Bank. See, DCB Bank, I am expecting whether it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave the same, there is no change. So it could be a bigger correction, means this is a B, C, and here it is a bigger correction, another A, B, C, or this A, B, C becomes a W, and beyond the X again it can be a in A, B, C. So further, if it did like this and if it breaks the high, so anything is, see, the fourth wave be it's a very complicated one, right? It could be a irregular, it's already did a irregular flat now. So there is only one chance from here, whether this is a W or X, or this is the third, fourth, like that. So I'm expecting a 5-way structure to complete the pattern nearly 140 zone, and that is the previous resistance zone. Now previous it was a resistance, again it bounced to the sorry, it got rejected, and again it bounced consolidation, and again it retested this zone. So let's see how it behaves in this zone, and we will see the RBL. RBL also same, ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2. So whether ABC is a WX, ABC is a third, so ABC is a 4, or it could be a because it's a 5-way structure, it's dead. So again after the 3-way structure we can move above the high also, so that could be making a running flat also, sorry, running triangle for the fourth. Or if this is the end of the fourth, we may see the 5-way structures to reach nearly the 340 zone. Or if it is an irregular flat, if it can be like this 3-way structure, so immediate the 5-way structure to break the high, and again it may fall in the 3-way structures. So that could be a irregular flat of running flat for the fourth wave, and again the fifth wave may be again the 5-way structures to reach the 340. So anyway, I'm looking only for the 340 zone for the target, this one. So we will move on to the SBIN, all bank stocks. So here also I said this could be a wave 1, 2, and beyond the bigger 3, or this is the intermediate wave. Lot of options is there for that SBIN, because I'm not so sure, because 1, 2, and this is the 3, 4, 5 means this is the A, B, C. So what we have to do is just leave this, because if you is all-time high here, it's already broken the high, and it's a gap up open here. In this, lot of gaps is there. So whether it is a AB, why I'm saying that ABC here, in that positional view, this is a W, this is the X. So there is a lot of chances for ABC for Y wave here. It could already completed 1 2 here. It's a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 in the daily. 1 2 3 4 5 A, B and C. Sometimes it looks like that, but sometimes this could be a 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 as a 1 2 3, and again the 3 4. So lot of options is there. You just go for the weekly, how it looks. 1 2, and we will neglect this in the weekly time frame. 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the 1, this is the 2 3 4 5. So whether the A is ended here or this is the end of the A, B or C, so this is very tough to trade this SBI, and investing in the higher zone, whether if it is coming in the three-way structures, maybe you can take a risk, because in either conditions it is still in bullish only. After the bigger three-way structure, we can get the 300, and again it can go back higher also. So next we will see the ICICI Bank. So this is also the same, no change in that. We are in the third wave, so fourth wave has to get rejected in the 3 and previous resistance zone. Now it is making a support, so if it is comes in the 550 zone, we need to be buy for that third wave to end. It's not still, it is not the third wave is to end, but sometimes it's look like what I said, 1 2 3 4 5. So this 1 2 3 4 5 is got ended, but here in previous I thought like this only, third, fourth and fifth, this is in the wedge formation, and 1 2 3. So that could be possible. So in either conditions, in any conditions, I'm expecting one more wave to the upper side is possible. So in that case, see, 1 2, so this could be a third end, I'm expecting the fourth. So this could be the end of the third, or this could be the end of the bigger third. So in either conditions, whatever it is, if it is a third, fourth and fifth, or this is a fourth, third, fourth and fifth, so I'm expecting to the nearest 700 zone. So next, Axis Bank. Still it is not yet broke the high, previous high, but all the banks got already broke the high, right? What we are doing that, not DCB like that or BL, but this kind of ICICI, HDFC Bank, SBI, and so all the major banks already broken the high, but it's not yet broken the high in Axis Bank. So wait for that. Whether it is a ABC, the third wave, we got that it could be a, I have changed the wave count here. So 1 2 3 4 5 as a B C. So this could be ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a W, X, ABC as a third. So after the three-way structure, ABC as a 4, ABC as a 5. So that is the end of the third wave. After the fourth wave, and again it has to shoot for that above the high of 825. So that is my target of the positional target. So I think I finished all those things. So no need anything, and I will show you one thing is Finance. Sorry, in Finance, Greenply. See, Finance is 1 2 3 4 and 5 is already got entered, and this is the wave 1, and I am expecting the wave 2, or this could be a A B C is 1 2 like that, but it's starting, it will be a 1 2 1 2 only, because I'm expecting this is a Y wave, so it could be anything. So the Y wave is a little bit tough to trade, because it could be a ABC formation of WXY formation also, or 1 2 3 4 5 as a sometimes it could be a B and then again C. So that will be a very easy also. And here also it's looking like here still it is looking like a bullish in Finance. Why I'm talking about this means this, if it is a bigger one, this is a bigger two and this is the intermediate wave 1 2, so it could be a shoot for the third wave, so that will continue like this. So that is why I'm keep on watching this, but sometimes it could make like this also. Be careful, and again it can shoot. In that case, this is a 1 2 3 4 5, so this is a after the B 130, and again it can to shoot for that next target of 250. And one thing is green ply, so this is also a bullish. See, this is a 1, this is a 2, right? After that 1 2 3 4 5, it's a bigger third here. This is a 5-way structure. After that the 3-way structures got a spike here. I'm expecting for this, but I don't know when it came, this one. And what after that, seeing what I did is I entered here at 127. Here I entered. Still I'm holding that. Let's see how it moves. And as of now it's a 20% move on that, and it's got that maximum level of 20% in a day, and that is an, what do you call it, is a something upper freeze, right? So it's already frozen. So let's see how it moves on that Monday tomorrow. So these are all the good stocks, and one thing is Motherson Sumi, that is also very nice stock. So WX, A, B and C, so still it is in bullish, so in the C wave, and later onwards it can convert into 1 2 3 also. So mind that this is a WX, whether the X is got completed here, A, B, and if it is a C wave means this is a 1, this is a 2, and we are on the third wave. So a lot of confusions, but it is still, it is in bullish only. So that is why I am in this trade from 157 here. I bought it here 157 in this trend line. Still I'm holding that. This one Motherson Sumi, Greenply, Finance, and this Manappuram is also, I'm just keep on watching this, and I need to complete this structure. It has to complete the structure. And Gatti is all good stocks. It's a, see, it's looking like a triangle here. So in the breakout it could be a fifth wave, so this could be a fourth, and fifth wave can shoot. And what the next is Manappuram I did in the comments. If you keep on watching my Telegram, I have already posted a lot of things, but I'm not giving any updates, so sorry for that, because I don't have any time, and the forex is also in the turning stage, the major support zone, so I'm just focusing on that, and this investing on this also in Indian stocks, but I'm not have a time to uh, everything, because I'm the alone person. I can't do that. Sorry for that, and apologies. If I have a time, see, last week I said I will. If I have a time, I can make a YouTube the next week. Otherwise, it will be in the next 15 days. I have a time, and I have already without updating any Telegram channel or Facebook, whatever it is in the front page like that. I have did here for the week. So I will try to make a video on every week, but if it didn't happen, sorry for that, apologies for that, don't mistaken me. So let's see on the next week or the next 15 days. After the 15 days, if I have a time, I will do the next week also for the week analysis, or we will see in the next 15 days. So thanks for a lot for watching my channel. You can learn lot of things about the Elliott waves. Don't trade according to my analysis. This is only for the education purposes. I'm sharing my knowledge. So you stick to your own analysis, to keep this as my as a reference, and you can make money. So thanks for watching, and have a nice weekend and nice profitable week. Have a nice day. See you on the next week or next 15 days. Bye.